Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you allow whatever you want to flow to you with ease. It is easy to claim that we want something, that we have a goal, a desire, but the hard part is actually believing that we can have it, instead of pushing our way towards what we want. We must get out of the way by releasing our resistant thoughts and energy and actually allowing it to manifest. So let's release that resistance here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm and confident and peaceful and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday. There is no tomorrow. There is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable in whatever position feels good to you right now. Let your body lead the way, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Let your body arrive and settle into this space that you have created for yourself. You set the intention to be calm and present, and now allow yourself to relax into that intention by becoming aware of your breath and following the flow of your inhale and exhale. Allow a nourishing and full breath in, and allow a releasing and relaxing breath out. Find a rhythm that feels good and let it guide you towards a deeper and deeper feeling of relaxation. Let everything go. There is nothing to hold on to here. There is simply the opportunity to be held here in the loving and gentle present moment. You have the desire to feel calm and deeply relaxed, and now you must allow it. Notice any tension in your body. Notice where your body is in resistance to your desire, and just allow that place in your body to relax, to soften, to let go. Breathe in. How do you want to feel? Breathe out. Allow that feeling to arise in your body. Stay with this rhythm of breathing in. How do you want to feel? And breathing out, allowing that feeling. And now, let the flow of your breath and the softness in your body allow your mind to settle into this space of relaxation. You set the intention to be calm and present, and now allow your mind to settle into that intention. You have the desire to feel calm and deeply relaxed, and now you must allow it. Notice where your mind, made up of your thoughts, is in resistance to your desire, and allow your thoughts to slow down and to soften. What is it that you want? Allow yourself to have it by letting go of the thoughts that tell you you can't, or you shouldn't, or you never will, that it's impossible. These thoughts do not match your desire. They are incongruent with what you want. You cannot have what you want by resisting what you want. There is only one path, and the path begins with one step, and one step begins in each moment. You get to build your path towards what you want by being in the feeling of what you want right now, in every moment, moment by moment by moment, beginning with this moment, right here and now. Here and now is where you are. Allow yourself to have what you want by having it now, by feeling it now, by thinking it now. Breathe in. What is it that you want? Breathe out. Allow yourself to walk towards it. Take some time here to breathe, to be, to stay in the feeling of what you are wanting. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you to feel calm and relaxed in your body and in your mind so that you can match the vibration of that which you desire. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you. It really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you received any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love and click like and subscribe. This really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.